Hello students, good morning. Jai Swami Narayan. All of you, welcome to class 4th in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I'm a math teacher. Now we'll start lesson number 3, multiplication. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned in this lesson in our last class. So now all of you look at in your textbook. So now all of you look at in your textbook. We will start lesson number 3, multiplication. So before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned in this lesson in our last class. So we had learned multiplication by a 2-digit number. So we had done this one, multiplication by 2-digit number. Then after we had done the property of multiplication. For property of multiplication, first property of multiplication, the product does not change if the order of number multiplies is changed. When the multiplier change, then also we will get product is same. So when we are changing the order of the number, we will get answer is the same. Then property number 2, the product does not change when the grouping of number is changed. The product does not change when the grouping of number is changed. When we are taking the 3, 4, 5 any numbers, so that type, so we will make the group of two numbers. And that group we will write in any place. So we will get answer is the same. For example, now here I have a 3 numbers. So first 2, 3, 4. So when we are making the group of 2 and 3 and 4 is writing the outside, we are making the group of 3 and 2 and 3 and we are writing 4 is the outside. So that time we are getting the answer 24. Now look at here, we are making the group of 3 and 4 and 2 is writing outside. So that time also we are getting the answer is 24. So this is the property number 2. The product does not change when the grouping of number is changed. Then property number 3. The product of 1 is any number, the number itself. When we are multiply 1 in any number, we will get answer is itself number. For example, 20 multiply by 1, we will get answer 20, and 1 multiply by 20, we will get answer is the 20. Then property number 4, the product of 0 and any number is 0. So property number 4, when we are multiply 0 in any number, so we will get answer is 0. Property number 4, when we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer is the 0. So this is the property of multiplication. Then after we had done the exercise 3.2, then after we had done the multiplication 100, 10, 100 and 1000. Then after we had done the multiplication by 200, 300 up to 900, then 2000, 3000 up to 9000. So 9,000, not 90,000. Okay, so when we are multiply 10, 100 and 1000, so how many 0 in the 10? 1 0 in the 10. So first we will multiply whichever the number by 1 and then we will put the 1 0 in the right side. In the 100, how many 0? 2 0. So first we will multiply 1 whichever the number and we will put 2 0 in the right side, because in the 100 have a 2 0. And how many 0 in the 1000? 3 0 in the 1000. So first we will multiply 1 in whichever the number and then after we will put 3 0. So why 3 0? Because in 1000 have a 3 0. So here have up to 1000. Suppose this number is 10,000. Suppose number is the 10,000. In the 10,000 how many 0? 4 0. So first we will multiply 1 whichever the number and then we will put the 4 0 in the right side. So this is when number is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and up to. Okay, then next is the multiplication 200, 300 up to 900, then 2000, 3000 and up to. So first when we are multiply 200 in any number, so first we will multiply 2 whichever the number and then we will put 2 0 in the right side. So there is the 200. Suppose the number is the 500. Which number? 500. So we will first multiply 5 whichever the number and then put the 2 zeros. So now look at here, 5 into 500. So first we will multiply 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, and now 2 0 in the right side. So we will put 2 zeros. So we will get answer is the 2500. And the same is like that, this condition also 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Now look at here one example. 126 multiplied by 6000. 126 multiplied by 6000. When we are first, we will multiply 126 by 6. So when we are multiply 126 by 6, so we will get answer is the 756. We will get answer 756. Now in the 6000 have a 3 zeros, so we are putting 3 zero in the right side. So this is the multiplication by 200, 300, 2000, 3000 and up to. Then after we had done multiplication by a 3-digit number. So this already we had done in our last class. So now we will start our exercise 3.3. So exercise 3.3, this we will be solve in our textbook, and exercise 3.4 then we will solve in our notebook. So now look at here. 784 multiplied by 356. 784 multiplied by 356. So now look at here. First 784. So which number we are multiply? 6. So here coming is 6. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 6 आ जाएगा, क्योंकि 784 को 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है हमने. यहाँ पे 6 लिख दिया. नाउ लुक एट हियर. देन 784 को हम 50 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Why is writing now 50? Because that 5 is the place of 10. ये जो 5 है वो कौन से प्लेस पे है? 10 वाले प्लेस पे है. कौन से वाले प्लेस पे है? 10 वाले प्लेस पे है. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया है? 50 लिख दिया, क्योंकि ये जो 5 है वो कौन से प्लेस पे है? 10 वाले प्लेस पे. तो यहाँ पे 50 लिख दिया है. Then next is the this one is the 3. Okay, so now this 3 is the place of 100. So we will write here 300, because that 3 is the place of 100. ये जो 3 है कौन से प्लेस पे है? 100 प्लेस पे है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 0 0 पुट कर देंगे. क्या करेंगे? 0 0 पुट कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पे हमने किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 300 के साथ. नाउ दैट आंसर इज, कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद किया है? 356. जब हमने 356 को 784 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो हमें आंसर कितना मिला है? 2,79,104. आंसर कितना मिला है? 2,79,104. सो दिस इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. एग्जाम्पल नंबर दिस इज आई विल सॉल्व, एंड 3 नंबर दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 क्या है? आपको होमवर्क. सो नाउ लुक एट ये. 265 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 319. 265 मल्टीप्लाई करना है 319 को. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट हम ये जो आंसर मिला है इसके साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 9. 9 कौन से प्लेस पे है? 1 वाले प्लेस पे है. ठीक है. देन 365 किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 10 के साथ, बिकॉज दैट 1 इज द प्लेस ऑफ 10. देन 265 किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 300 के साथ, बिकॉज दैट 3 इज द प्लेस ऑफ 100. क्यों 300 लिख रहे? जब हम इसका आंसर लिखते हैं तो यहाँ पे ये जो 1 है ये 10 प्लेस पे रहता है, इसलिए 10 प्लेस पे रहता है, इसलिए हम 1 प्लस पे 0 पुट करते हैं, मतलब यहाँ पे 10 आएगा. एंड ये जो 3 है, जब ये जो 3 मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इस नंबर को, तो हम यहाँ पे कितने 0 पुट करेंगे? 2 0 पुट करेंगे. कितने 0 पुट करेंगे? 2 0 पुट करेंगे. मतलब ये 3 कौन से प्लेस पे है? 100 वाले प्लेस पे है. यहाँ पे 2 0 क्यों पुट करते हैं? क्योंकि ये जो 3 है ये 100 वाले प्लेस पे है, इसलिए. तो 265 को हमने किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 300 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया. और ये जो एडिशन मिला है इनका जो तीनों का आंसर है क्या मल्टीप्लाई करके मिला है, 319 को मल्टीप्लाई करके मिला है। किसको मल्टीप्लाई करके, 319 को मल्टीप्लाई करके। सो आंसर इज 84,535. Answer is 84,535. So this is exercise 3.3. Example number 3. This is homework for you, and that question you write in your textbook only. Now look at here, exercise 3.4, multiplication. So now we will solve this question in our notebook. So now all of you look at here. So example number 1, 457 multiply 764. 457 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 764. सो सबसे पहले हम 4 के साथ 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ 4 into 7, 4 into 7, 28, 28 8, 2 is the carry. Then 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 2, 2 is the carry. Then 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 16 plus 2, 18. Now we will put 1 0 in the one place because that 6 is the place of tens. Now 6 into 7, 6 into 7, 42, 42 2, 4 is the carry. Then 6 into 5, 6 into 5, 30 and 30 plus 4, 34, 34 4, 3 is the carry. Then 7 into 4, 7 into 4, 28, 28 plus 28 plus 3. How much? 28 plus 31. 28 plus 3, 31. Sorry, now again that one step is balanced. Now we will put 2 0 in the right side. Now we will put 2 0 because that 7 is the 1 minute. Again we will solve. This is the wrong. Again we will solve here. First number 457 multiplied by 764. We will solve again because there have some mistake. Now 7 into 4, 7 into 4, 28, 28 8, 2 is the carry. Now 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 2, 2 is the carry. Then 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Now we will put 1 0 in the one place because that 6 is the place of tens. Now 6 into 7, 6 into 7, 42, 42 2, 4 is the carry. Now 6 into 5, 6 into 5, 30 and 30 plus 4, 34, 34 4, 3 is the carry. Now 6 into 4, 6 into 4, 24, 24 plus 3, 27. Now we will put here 2 0 because that 7 is the place of 100. Because that 7 is the place of 100. So now we will multiply 7 into 7, 49, 49s are 4, 49s are 9 and 4 is the carry. Then 7 into 5, 7 into 5, 35, 35 plus 4, 39, 39s are 39s are 9 and 3 is the carry. Now 7 into 4, 7 into 4, 28, 28 plus 1, 31. Now we will do addition. 3, 8 plus 0, 0, 8, 2 plus 2, 4, then 8 plus 4, 12 and 12 plus 9, 21. 8 plus 4, 12 and 12 plus 9, 21. 21s are 1, 2 is the carry. Then 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 7, 10 and 10 plus 9, 19. 19s are 9, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4 and 3. So answer is 3,49,148. So answer is 3,49,148. So this is example number 1. Now example number 2. Example number 2 is the 789 multiplied by 321. Okay, so now we will start multiplication. 9 into 1 9, 9 into 8 8, 1 into 9 9, 1 into 8 8, 1 into 7 7. Now we will put 1 0 because 2 is the place of 10. Now 2 into 9 18, 18 is 8, 1 is the carry. Then 2 into 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 is 7, 1 is the carry. Then 2 into 7 14, 14 plus 1 15, 14 plus 1 15. So now we will write 15 here. Then now we will put here 2 0 because that 3 is the place of 100. Now 3 into 9 27, 27 is 7, 2 is the carry. Then 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 2 24 plus 24 plus 2 24 plus 2 26, 26 is 6 and 2 is the carry. Then 3 into 7 21, 21 plus 2 23. So now we will do addition. Then 9 plus 0 plus 0 9, 8 plus 8 16, 16 are 6, 1 is the carry. Then 7 plus 7 14, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 1 22, 22 is 2, 2 is the carry. Then 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 13, 13 is 3, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5 and 2. So answer is 2,53,269. So answer is 2,53,269. So this is example number 2. Now example number 3. Example number 3 is 985 multiplied by 432. 985 multiplied by 432. So now we will start multiplication. 2 into 5 10, 10 is 0, 1 is the carry. 2 into 8 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 is 7, 1 is the carry. Then 2 plus 9 18, 18 plus 1 19, 18 plus 1 19. Then now we will put 1 0 in the one place. Now 3 into 5 15, 15 is 5, 1 is the carry. Then 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 is 5, 2 is the carry. Then 3 into 9 27, 27 plus 2 29. Now we will put 2 0 in the 1 and 10 place because that 4 is the place of 100. Now 4 into 5 20, 20 is 0, 2 is the carry. Then 4 into 8 32, 32 plus 2 34, 34 is 4, 3 is the carry. Then 4 into 9 36, 36 plus 3 39, 36 plus 9 36 plus 3 39. So now we will do addition. Now 0 here. Then 7 plus 5 12, 12 is 2, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 is 5, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 is 5, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 is 2, 1 is the carry. And 1 plus 3 4. So answer is 4,25,520. So answer is 4,25,520. So this is example number 3. Now example number 4. Example number 4 is 834 multiplied by 834 multiplied by 578. 834 multiplied by 578. So now we will do multiplication. 8 into 4. 8 into 4, 32. 32 are 2, 3 is the carry. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 20. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 7, 2 is the carry. 8 into 8, 64. 64 plus 2, 68. 64 plus 2, 68. Now we will put 0 in the right side. We will put 0 in the one place because that 7 is the place of tens. Now 7 into 4. 7 into 4, 28. 28 are 8, 2 is the carry. Now 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 are 3, 2 is the carry. Now 7 into 8. 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 2, 58. 56 plus 2, 58. Now we will put 20 because that 5 is the place of 100. Now 5 into 4, 20. 20 are 0, 2 is the carry. Now 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 are 7, 1 is the carry. Now 5 into 8, 40, and 40 plus 1, 41. We will do addition. Now 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. Then 7 plus 8, 15. 15 are 5, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 are 2, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 are 2, 2 is the carry. Then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And now here is the 4. So answer is 4,82,252. So answer is 4,82,252. So this is example number 4. Now example number 5. Example number 5 is 452 multiplied by 204. 204. Now 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 5, 20. 20 are 0, 2 is the carry. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Now we will put 1 0 in that one place. Now look at here, when we are multiplying 0 any number, we will get answer 0. So 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 2, 0, 0 multiplied by 5, 0, 0 multiplied by 4, 0. Now we will put 2 0 here. Now 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 10. 10 are 0, 1 is the carry. Then 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now we will do addition. Now 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8. Now here is the 0. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 are 2, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1, 2. And now here is the 9. So answer is 92,208. So answer is 92,208. So this is example number 5. Now example number 6. Now example number 6. 881 multiplied by 342. 881 multiplied by 342. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 8, 16. 16 are 6, 1 is the carry. 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Now we will put 1 0 in the one place. Now 4 into 1 4, then 4 into 8, 4 into 8 32, 32 is 2, 3 is the carry. Then 4 into 8 32, 32 plus 3 35. Now we will put 20 in the 1 and 10 place because that 3 is the place of 100. Now 3 into 1 3, then 3 into 8 24, 24 is 4, 2 is the carry. Now 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 2 26. Now we will do addition. 2 plus 0 plus 0 2, 6 plus 4 10, 10 is 0, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 is 3, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 is 1, 1 is the carry. Then 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 is 0, 1 is the carry, and 1 plus 2 3. So answer is 3,01,302. So answer is 3,01,302. So this is example number 6. Now example number 7. Now example number 7 is 333 multiplied by 480. Multiply by 480. So now we will multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer. So we will put now here 0 0 because 0 multiplied by 3 0, 0 multiplied by 3 0, and 0 multiplied by 3 0. Now we will put 1 0. Now 8 into 3, 8 into 3 24, 24 is 4, 2 is the carry. 8 into 3 24, 24 plus 2 26, 26 are 2, 2 is the 26 are 6, 2 is the carry. 8 into 3 24, 24 plus 2 26. Now we will put 20 in the 1 and 10 place because that 4 is the place of 100. Now 4 into 3, 4 into 3 12, 12 are 2, 1 is the carry. 4 into 3 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1 is the carry. 4 into 3 12, 12 plus 1 13. Now we will do addition. 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 0 4, then 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 3 5, and 1. So answer is 1,59,840. So answer is 1,59,840. So this is example number 7. Now example number 8. Example number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the homework for you. Which is the homework? Example number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the homework for you. So which I solve now here from 1st to 7th. Here I solve, and example number 8 to 12. These are the homework for you. Now question number B. Find the product. This will be see in our next period. So I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.